leg day today, and today what we've got planned is 8,000 rep leg workout. Let's go! It is time to hit legs. So we are going to be starting off with 250 reps on the hip thrust and 250 reps on squats. Now the way we're going to break this down, we're going to be doing 25 normal reps on the hip thrust, and we are doing 25 pulse reps, and that we're going to be doing for 5 sets. And then we're going to be supersetting those ones with our normal squats for 25 reps and 25 pulse squats. So it's a normal and pulse rep action, a lot of time and attention. We're gonna finish off with 500 reps, which is basically halfway across our workout. And the reason we're starting with this one is because it is a great way to keep our legs a bit of a warm up. It's not too intense on our legs as well. Gets our glutes activated for our further exercises. So halfway through it, and I am feeling that burn, but it's awesome on my joints. My joints aren't getting any issues at all because, again, it is lighter weight. It's not too crazy of a workout as well. It looks amazing. Hey! So that was an absolute burner. What we're going to be doing next is we're going to be moving on to the leg press, and we've got some nice high reps on the leg press. Woo! Those legs are racing up now. We are amping up to that 1,000 reps. We're gonna make it. My legs are racing right now. Woo! Legs are swollen. And how do you feel?
Swollen. My legs are swollen.
They feel what?
Swollen.
They feel swollen. It's killing me.
I said after lunch, I remember. After lunch, my legs feel pain.
I feel you on that So I'm not gonna lie, that was quite a bit of a challenge. 1,000 reps all done. Now, one of the things I do daily is abs. So we've got an ab challenge going on. Make sure you guys check it out on my YouTube channel. So I'm going to give you guys a little bit of behind the scenes as to what we do. And we'll go live as well with the abs challenge. So I'm just going to set my camera up, give you guys a little bit of behind the scenes before I go into my HIIT class for today. Alright, we are live. We're going to be hitting abs for 5 minutes as usual. I'm going to get Ange to set the timer up. Are we ready? Alright. In 3, 2, 1, 20 crunches, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And next one, knee tucks. You're gonna lose them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back each punches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, fill up all. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Russian twists. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back into crunches. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next one. Go to side. Rotate up. 1, 2, 3. We've got 6 each side. 4, 5, 6. Turn to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back into crunches. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Send our knees up. Go about that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo, crunches. 1, 2. Come on, let's speed up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Flying tail.
Roll me like a Hellcat. Hellcat. like a Hellcat. Like a hell. Like a Hellcat.
Toes out. Really feel that stretch.
Feel me like a Hellcat. Like a Hellcat.
So my boys are here and I'm going to be taking them through some powerlifting and stuff today. They got deadlifts, so here's a quick highlight reel. Let's go. Let's go, that's explosive. Nice and strong. Nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all the love and support. Make sure you hit that like button, comment, subscribe for more. The boys going to be pumping out so much content. Comment below as well what you want to see next. The boys are